Okay, got a little bit of pine pitch here that we collected under a yellow pine tree back in the fall. This makes a great fire starter. Let's take a little match. Light one end. Get that going pretty good. Stick it into my little bunch of sticks here. There we go. You can see that pine pitch burning away. That burns pretty hot and pretty fast. That's perfect for getting a fire started. And it'll burn wet or dry. We've had that for a few weeks, maybe about a month, I guess. And I've been using it here and there to start fires in the fireplace. But it works great. Don't need to use paper. Just put it on a piece of stick or wood or something. Touch it off with a match, and there you go. Hot fire. Little pine cone right in there. Pine needles. Big old chunk of pine sap from a yellow pine. If you see this on the ground, pick it up, save it, because it makes great fire starter. You can make a little kit if you're going to go camping or hiking or spend any kind of time outside. It's a great thing to have in your kit for making fires, especially when it's cold. It can save your life.